Hello everyone. I am Mrs. Shobha Nikam, working as an assistant professor in Department of ENTC Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology Pune. In this video, I'll highlight need of the satellite communication. Two developments in the 20th century changed the way people lived. First is the automobile and second is telecommunications. Particularly in telecommunications, before the telegraph and telephone came into widespread use, all communication was face to face or in writing. If you wanted to talk to someone, you had to travel to meet with that person, and travel was slow. If you wanted to send information, it had to be written down, and the papers had carried to their destination. Telecommunication systems have now made it possible to communicate with virtually anyone at any time, and that is by using satellites. So before discussing need of satellite communication, let's understand what this satellite is. Satellite is a object in a space that orbits or circles around a bigger object. So there are two types of satellites available, natural and artificial. Example of natural satellite is the moon orbiting the earth, our natural satellite, the moon. And artificial is the International Space Station orbiting the earth. Satellite communication exists because of the shape of the earth. We all know earth is a sphere. So, and radio waves travel in straight line at microwave frequencies. So it is possible that two stations which are far away from each other will not able to communicate. So repeaters are needed to convey signals over long distances. And repeater means it is combination of a receiver and transmitter. So they are nothing but a receiver linked to a transmitter, always using different frequencies that can receive a signal from one earth station, that is one antenna, amplify it and retransmit it to another earth station, another receiving antenna, as shown in figure. And satellites, because they can link places on the earth, their coverage area is large, and they can link places that are thousands of miles apart. They are good place to locate a repeater. We can put our repeater, transponder or transceiver inside satellite. Satellite will receive signal from one earth station, will amplify it and send it back to another earth station. Satellites are used for providing various services, which includes fixed satellite services, broadcast satellite services, mobile satellite services, navigational satellite services, and meteorological satellite services. There are many subdivisions within these broad classifications. For example, the fixed satellite services, called as FSS, provides links for existing telephone networks as well as for transmitting television signals to cable companies for distribution over cable systems. Broadcasting satellite services are intended mainly for direct broadcast to the home, sometimes referred to as direct broadcast satellites, or in India we call it as DTH, direct to home service. Then mobile satellite services would include land mobile or maritime mobile, and it also includes aeronautical mobile. Navigational satellite services we all use include global positioning systems, a GPS, and satellites intended for Meteorological satellite services often provide a search and rescue services. For any product, for anything, advantages comes with some disadvantages also. So, disadvantages of satellite communication are launching of satellites into orbits is a costly process. Then distance is long. So, propagation delay of satellite systems is more than that of conventional terrestrial systems. Geo satellites are placed at 36,000 kilometers above Earth station. So distance is large. So delays are more. Difficult to provide repairing activities if any problem occurs in a satellite systems. Then free space loss is more. Atmospheric effects, different layers of atmosphere affects quality of signal. So free space loss is more. There can be congestion of frequencies. Applications of satellite communication includes radio broadcasting and voice communications, TV broadcasting such as direct to home, that is DTH, internet applications such as providing internet connection for data transfer, GPS applications, internet surfing, etc. Satellite is also used in military applications and navigations. Remote sensing applications are there. Weather condition monitoring and forecasting applications are also there. I hope after watching this video, need of satellite communication has been clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.